Huh?
Am I allowed to touch it?
I don't know what you said. Yeah, touch.
It feels funny. It feels kind of funny. It feels kind of funny in my mind. It feels funny.
You need a color of this. I'm not sure that you have so much. Close to the end, okay? See?
I was telling you to feed me how to make something and we put it.
How was
You
that?
see what I'm doing? Okay. Now we are going to shape in two pieces. Hold on, hold on.
So
We'll try to be
what
the
is
same size. Okay.
so what it's to get a little, but it's to get a ball.
Something like that. Yeah. Sure. Okay. We're just leaving it like that.
It's pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
Second one.
Nice one.
See. Okay. Now we have to wait. Tell them. Okay. Just good. That's good. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, second part, Danny.
When I wait, I'm
We are waiting for these, okay?
so I play when it's
Yeah, you have to watch what I'm doing now. The second thing. Look.
is that dragon fruit? Ah, that is dragon fruit. I like dragon fruit. My mom has two pairs of socks.
Okay, that's great. Choose better we nothing. It's the ground beef, okay?
I used to eat that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I eat that. You just bustle around.
Look. I don't know how you're going to do, but I'm doing that way, okay?
How do you do it?
I'm showing you. You following?
Just cut it with the knife.
You following? That's hard with the knife, okay?
Yeah, here's my jacket.
Yeah. I think you need a little bit more time with you for using the knife.
I just had a kid knife.
Yeah, I know. Maybe Daddy can help you with that.
The kid knife, I think, in my second one, but now it's gone because it's so little.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know what it is.
Okay.
We just have eight. We got two.
Yeah.
Each have two. I don't really like onions.
Okay, that's one half is done, and the second one. I'm gonna make it smaller one. So. I know, me too. Yeah, that's okay. Sometimes when we are crying, that helps the body a little bit.
Yeah.
There you go. Done.
Not like the,
You see what we have here? Now we are going to put,
that onion is strong.
yeah, look. Okay. Sad mi treba malo ulja ovo. Stavim ulju. Jer meso ne može da se razridi ako ne staviš malo ulja. We just put the oil. Remove it.
One time I used salt. Then
See?
I used salt before.
Yeah, really.
I haven't used that. Haven't I? One time.
Mhm. You can do it by yourselves.
You can make that by yourself, right?
We are going to make this one, and then you do it by yourselves with the cheese. Can you do that? Can you do that?
Cheese. That's easy.
Okay.
This was easy.
Okay.
If it's too cutting cheese, I will cut.
See, now, touch. Now it's done. Okay. Now we have to wait just for this one and then going after. Now my tongue is full. You can be.
Kind of like a pizza. How?
That will be bigger, the pizza. Not yet, not yet.
He says it's crucial for his awareness of strategies and to support the parents.
You following? Okay.
And it's just our way
Just a little bit more and then I will show you next step.
also access donations
Huh? You're going next one, okay? You just following the first one and then you're going next one by yourselves. And you're just going like that. Second one up. Just put the back here.
No, wait. The dog escaped.
Hold on. See now.
Dad, why did you?
What? Watch. You're just pulling, okay?
Oh.
She brings through the home with me one. The police that do their business from this will be more friends when he tries to do what comes in. Neighbors, the driver's rest unarmed, and later,
Here's my pizza.